POGMarineFPS, and today we're going to go over my 2017 handgun collection. Now this one ain't quite a handgun yet, but this is my Circle 11 1966 flare gun project, yet to be finished. Beretta PX4 Storm 9mm, FNX 45, obviously in 45, Beretta M9 in 9mm, CZ 999 in 9mm, JSD Arms 1911 and 45, JSD Arms 1911 9mm, DTOM, Box 17 and 9mm, ZPO9 and 9mm, Romanian Kruger TTC Tokarov, chambered in 7.62 by 25. So that concludes my video. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe.